Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove your header from your document in Microsoft Office Word. So the first thing that you have to do is open a file, open a document, or you can just create a new blank one or choose from these templates that are provided by Microsoft Office. In my case, I will just use a blank document. After that, we need a header to delete. Let's just create a header by double clicking on the top of page. We are just going to uh, create this header. As you can see, here is our header created in our document. So to delete this header, all I have to do is double click in the header as the same way or in just deleting it manually. After that, we are going to close our header. As you can see, here is our header deleted. There is another way to delete our header. Let's, for example, create another header. As you can see, this is our header here. So to delete it, all we have to do after double clicking on the header is just going to the header button and go down and click remove header. So this is how, as you can see, our header is being deleted now. And so this is how we can delete our header in our document Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.